Now here is a new formula. Sine x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. This is the formula. So we see here, since we know that cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sine x. As we know in the previous video, cos changes this. In the first quadrant, cos is positive and cos changes to sine at 90 degree. 90 degree minus or plus, cos changes to sine. Now see, we can write sine x plus y is equal to, we will apply this, is equal to, suppose this is a x, if we consider this as a whole x, so pi by 2 minus x plus pi. If we compare this with this formula, we write sine this, x is a x plus y, x is x plus y, then sine x is a cos pi by, in the opposite direction, sine x is cos pi by 2 minus x. Therefore, sine x plus y is cos pi by 2 minus x. See, now we will apply, if we compare this with the formula cos x minus y, now we will pair, we will write pi by 2 minus x, this first pair, and minus pi, this and this, cos x minus y, we will apply the formula, this is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x into cos y plus sine pi by 2 minus x into sine y. This is the formula here. Now see, what is this? Cos pi by 2 minus x is first quadrant, means this is equal to sine x. This is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x is a sine x into cos y with the help of this. And second, see here, plus we can write sine pi by 2 minus x. If we consider this equal to sine x, then we can write this like cos pi by 2 minus, we will use the same formula, pi by 2 minus x. If we use this formula, this is equal to, open the bracket, pi by 2 minus pi by 2, minus minus is plus, pi by 2 will cancel, and this is equal to cos x. So pi by 2 minus x is cos x, this is equal to cos x into sine y. So we get formula sine x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x into sine y. Most important formula. So all these formulae are coming from cos x plus y. So one after the other. Now see, if we replace by minus, replace by 2 minus by, here we get sine x minus y is equal to sine x cos minus y plus cos x sine minus y. We are placing by y minus y, so we get sine cos minus y is cos y, and sine minus y is sine minus y is minus sine y, so it becomes cos x into sine y. Now the formula becomes sine x minus y is sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. So this is the second formula. Now we can see here, if sine x plus y is sine x cos y plus cos x y, if here is minus, then if sine x minus y, then sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. The second formula here.